to google.com.au. So come to Google, and then let's suppose that you're selling, I don't know, toys, just for ease of arguments, Tom. Toys. And so you want to do trade show toys country Australia. That'll do. And then ignore your ads and just come down to your organic search results and Melbourne Toy Fair. So basically what you're doing, mate, is you're looking for trade shows. Now, here's the important thing, and it's a really important thing. Most folks do the bare minimum to start selling on Amazon. The question they ask themselves is, how little can I do and still make some money selling on Amazon? And it's a piss poor way of doing things, all right? The much better strategy is to say, how can I do 10% more than everybody else and get exponential results for doing that? That's a much better question to ask yourself. Most folks, they just look at Alibaba, they just look at DHgate. Some, not many, go to global sources. Most folks just do that. This is a much more time-intensive strategy, but if you want to find things outside what everybody else is going to be selling, it's an awesome strategy. It works really, really well. All right, so here we are. I've come through oztoy.com.au. Here's who's going to be, let's see if we can find our people who are going to be exhibiting there. Let's try clicking on exhibit. And what we're going to look for is a list of people who are exhibiting, okay? Or a list of, or we're going to want to go to it, event details, maybe it's there. We're going to want to actually go to it, which is even better, to go to it and have a look around and introduce yourself to some people, pick up some things and go and do that. Most folks think that they should go to China. Yiwu markets, for instance, is all the vogue right now. But hey, I think go to trade shows in Australia and you'll find really, really interesting Australian-made products that you can sell wholesale on Amazon, and it's a super cool way of doing things. So that's what I would do. Normally I go and look for who's going to be who's registering, who's attending the event, exhibitors. You usually find an exhibitors list. I usually try and find that, and that gives you some ideas of who to contact as well. I want to give you one more idea as well, Tom, and that is something very, very different. Go to Kickstarter or something like that. Kickstarter is a crowdfunding website for products. Go to Kickstarter and you'll find products that haven't even been made yet. Super cool way of getting things. And what I like to do here is come to the homepage, kickstarter.com. Go to whichever one you want. Let's pick design and tech right now. Click on design and tech. Come on, internet, work for me, baby, work for me. Instead, we'll go this way. Here we go. So I usually go to design and tech because it's a good one to get into. You're looking at designed products, which is super cool. And I'm looking for things that are overfunded. So that tells you how much something has been funded. For some reason, my internet's gone slow. That tells you how much things are being funded. You want at least 100% is they've met their funding goal, okay? Well, these exceeded their funding goal by a massive amount, which tells you that's a cool thing. So what have we got here? That's a smart belt, a toiletry bag. Well, maybe we can go and have a look at that. My fantastic toiletry bag. And now what I would do is I contact them directly and say, hey, can I wholesale your product in Australia? That's all you want to say to them. Can I wholesale your product in Australia for you? That's it. So doing that, you will find products that have not even been anywhere near Amazon yet because they've only just been invented. Super cool strategy. So that's two ways of doing things outside of the norm, and notice that both of those ways require you to do a little bit more work than other folks will do who are just trying to just skimp on what they're doing. But as a result of doing just a tiny bit more, you get a massive, massive advantage. That's what you're looking for. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.